this prank war is far from over, Teddy.
The Christmas prank for Teddy. Good decorations for Christmas. Teddy's already ready. So nice. Teddy, where is Teddy's going? The Teddy is going to suddenly, I think, decorate our holy car. Nice cover up by Teddy for Christmas. Oh, that sheet. Teddy.
Really, Teddy? That's your idea of payback?
Alright. Wow. Christmas prank. Cards. Oh, nice, Teddy.
Teddy? Really, Teddy? What else did you
Nice
wrap?
work by Teddy for Christmas. Are you ready for Christmas?